The Birds of America. The Birds of America is a book by naturalist and painter John James Audubon containing illustrations of a wide variety of birds of the United States. It was the first published as a series in sections between 1827 and 1838 in Edinburgh and London. Not all of the specimens illustrated in the work were collected by Audubon himself. Some were sent to him by John Creek Townsend, who had collected them on naturally Jarvis Waite 1834 expansion with Thomas Neutral. The work consists of 435 hand-colored life-size prints made from engraved plates measuring around 39 by 26 inches. It includes images of 5 extinct birds and three more possibly extinct birds. Carolina Brackett's passenger pigeon, Labrador duck, great oak, pinnated gull, and possibility, and the Eskimo curlew, livery bird, woodpecker, and Batman's warbler. Art historians describe Audubon's work as being of high quality and printed with artistic finesse. The plant life background of some 50 of the bird studies were painted by Audubon's assistant Jesse Mason, but he is not credited for his work in the book. He shot many specimen birds as well as transporting and maintaining supplies from Audubon. Audubon, however, used the background plants and insects paint and except paint by Maria Martin, later wife of John Bachman, with credit Gloria Lehman, was hired to draw some of the pages and background tales. Audubon also attracted the companion book on ornithological biographies. About 1820, around the age of 35, Audubon declared his intention to paint every bird in North America. In his bird art, he mainly from soak on oil paint. He medium of series artist of the day in forever of work color and pastel crayons. As early as 1807, he developed a method of using wires and threads to hold dead birds in lifelike positions while the drum in 1823, Audubon went to Philadelphia and New York looking for financial support using subscriptions to enable him to publish his artwork. He sold the copper engraving plates through on a subscription basis in North America and Europe. Those subscribed obtained from 5 plates at a time. Each subscriber received print of 3 smaller birds, a larger bird, and a mid-sized bird. The prints were produced from 1827 to 1838. that cost each subscriber around $1,000. It is thought that no more than 120 sets exist today. Each set consists of 435 individual plates that are based upon the original paintings. Each plate was engraved, printed, and hand colored by Robert Havas of London, while William Laser of Edinburgh engraved the first 10 plates. Havil actually finished some of those. Havil in some cases added events elements such as insect or to the plate. Audubon often found support lacking. As a result, in 1826 he set sail for the United Kingdom with 250 of his original illustrations, looking for the financial support of subscribers and the technical abilities of engravers and printers. After exhibiting his drawing in Liverpool and Manchester, he journeyed to Edinburgh, where he met the accomplished engraver William H. Laser. Laser engraved up to 10 of the first plates, but was unable to continue the project when his colorist went on strike in 1827. Audubon engaged the noted London animal engraver Robert Havell Jr. and his father Robert Havell. Sir Havell and Jr. oversaw the project through to his completion in 1838. The original edition of the Bird of America was printed on hardback paper 39.5 inches tall by 28.5 inches wide. The principal printing technique was copper plate etching, but engraving and equipment was also used. Colorist applied each color in assembly line fashion. Audubon founded this costly printing project through a pay-as-you-go subscription. For 1826 to 1829, he traveled around the UK and to Paris, lecturing on ornithology and frontier American life in an effort to intense Vanth patrons to subscribe to this series of print subscription included the French King Charles X, the British Queen, and delayed of Sex managing Lord Spectrum, and later the American Devil Webster and Harney Clay points. Prints were issued in set of 5 every month or 2 in cases, and each set usually included 1 very large bird, 1 medium sized bird, and 3 small birds. The players were published unbound and without any text to avoid having to furnish free copies to the British legal deposit libraries. It is estimated that one more than 200 copies set were ever completed, and accompanying anything taxing issued separately was written by Audubon and the Scottish naturalist and ornithologist William MacGillivray and published in 5 volumes in Edinburgh between 1831 and 1839. Usually the title ornithological biography or an account of habit of the bird of the United States of America. The additional cost of the 5 volumes of text brought the total cost of plate and text to about $1,000. Three universities were original subscribers to the Double Elephant Fellowarian: Columbia University, Harvard University, and the University of South Carolina. Audubon had personally visited Columbia in 1833 and displayed his drawing to the college president William Alexander Dewar, after which the college raised $800 from his subscription, which are completed in 1838. After the failure editing was completed, Audubon decided to produce a more affordable editing and employed a lithographer from Philadelphia named J.T. Brown. Brown and his team created a smaller Royal Octave. Editing was issued